Hello, today I'm back at the cabin in the woods and I'm gonna see if I can boil some water on the fire. I was gonna get some water here, but it's all frozen, so I'll have to break it. Okay, I'm gonna try to cook that water and see if I can make it boil. Alright, I'm gonna put the water on the fire and I'll check how long it takes. Okay, so the water takes around 10 minutes to boil, but it's just starting to boil. So it's not the fastest way. And when I open this from the top, it stopped boiling, so. Okay, now I'm gonna try to boil water on the fire. On the fire here, it'll probably go faster. Okay, I'll check back in a few minutes. It's only been like maybe 3-4 minutes and it's already boiling. Where I break the ice to get some water, it already froze. Maybe like 1 hour and a half ago. Now I'm at my old cabin. There's a chair on top of the tree. There's not much left here. Only a place to sit down. But it's not very strong. And a chair on top of the tree. I think I built this in maybe 2009, 2010, and it's still there today. You can see the tree grow on top of the wood. Okay, so I'm sitting on top of the tree. It's still very, very strong. The wood is still the same like new. You see here is where I got some water. And over there you can see some smoke. That's where the cavan is. The sun is going down, so I'm gonna have to go home soon. Before in 98, I think we built the same thing, the other tree. It had a chair in the branch here, and it had another one here, and the stairs would go all the way up to here, right to there. But there's not much left from this one. Alright, so that's the end of this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.